potatoes. Tragically, during an operation carried out by Obote's forces, he was murdered in cold blood. Kiza Evelyn Tinkamarirwe of Kakumiro, she worked as a health worker in Chivari Dispensary. In 1981, she was arrested by UPC leaders, accusing her of supporting rebels detained at Karuguju police post. The Royal Triangle Medal is also posthumously awarded to Ms. Mbabazi Marcheyan of Chankwanzi. She played a key role in mobilizing and encouraging fellow women, particularly the young ones, to remain firm and brave during the hardship of the war. Ms. Mbabazi Nora of Mbende is also awarded the Royal Triangle. She was one of the pioneers of the Uganda Patriotic Movement in 1990 at the age of 16 in Mubende district. The Masaba Star Medal is awarded to Lieutenant General retired Francis Okero of Omoro district. He served the country with distinction for more than 42 uninterrupted years in the Uganda People's Defense Forces. He had multiple high-level appointments in command, administration, operations, and strategic leadership, including being the first commandant of the Uganda Defense College, was Chief of Plans and Operations and Peace and Security Department at the African Union Headquarters, was the commandant of Uganda Rapid Deployment Capability Center, and was also the second force commander of the African Union mission in Somalia. He also served as a UPDF Member of Parliament. Lieutenant General retired Francis Okero is widely recognized for his unwavering dedication, selflessness, patriotism, and strategic leadership. Other general is Brigadier General Kefa Nangeso, who is the Dean of Studies at the National Defense College. The National Independence Diamond Jubilee is also awarded to Colonel Moses Ikurut Emeru, Colonel Hamzat Mukata Kasaja, Lieutenant Colonel Mase Tukahirwa, Warrant Officer 1 Semakura Bosco, Warrant Officer 2 Muramira Richard, Staff Sergeant Engor Girgori, who is recognized for conducting successful operations against the ADF and the Al-Shabaab terrorists in Somalia. The Uganda Police Force wishes to honor also Mr. Haj Bogere Abu, Mr. Kwaja Charles, DIP Chakwira Betty, Mr. Moses, and Long Service Medal by the police is awarded to IP Tumshabe Silva, AIP Nankung Sara. The following prisons officers are also awarded the National Independence Diamond Jubilee Medal: Mr. Yusuf Mukembo, Superintendent of Prisons, Mr. Athanas Nyawe Adrich, Assistant Superintendent of Prisons, Mr. Peter Opado, and Ms. Nasimwa Harriet. Last but not least is Mr. Opikason Tarantino. Throughout his service, he has demonstrated exemplary workmanship, leadership, and integrity. He is recognized for his firm decision-making, effective time management, and strong commitment to achieving institutional objectives. As a senior tailor, he has trained numerous officers, equipping them with the skills and discipline required to become dependable and competent professionals. His ability to make swift, well-considered decisions, combined with his excellent planning abilities, has greatly strengthened the tailing units and enhanced productivity across the stations where he has served. Detailed citations of those that have not been read will be made available to media and will be fully published. So we've done this in order to serve on the time. We extend our deep congratulations to all the awardees and urge them to wear these medals of honor on such national occasions. Finally, I wish to thank the Honourable Minister for the Presidency, the Chairperson of the Presidential Awards Committee, and the Chancellor team for organizing this ceremony. I thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, since today is a Victory Day, and as I requested you earlier, to allow only 3 entertainments to present to our guests. Thank you, Your Excellency.